Most people think you need expensive tools, costly fertilizers, and endless hard work to grow a thriving vegetable garden. But the truth is, the most powerful gardening secrets are completely free, hidden right in your kitchen, backyard, and everyday waste. These are the same clever hacks experienced gardeners use to make their gardens more productive, more self-sufficient, and far more rewarding. Today you're going to learn how to turn simple household materials into a flourishing harvest with ease. Welcome to Timeless Gardening, your home for practical, natural, and time-tested gardening wisdom. If you love discovering smart ways to grow your own food, simplify your gardening routine, and connect deeply with nature, then you're in the right place. Hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and let's dive into 17 brilliant free vegetable gardening hacks that will help you get bigger harvests with smarter methods. Hack number 1. Grow new vegetables from kitchen scraps. One of the simplest and most rewarding gardening hacks is learning how to regrow vegetables from kitchen scraps. Instead of tossing out the ends of scallions, lettuce, celery, or even carrots, place them in shallow water until new roots begin to form. Then transfer them into soil. In just a few weeks you'll have fresh, thriving plants ready to harvest again. This method not only saves you money on seeds and groceries, but also reduces kitchen waste and keeps your garden continuously productive, with almost no effort at all. Hack number 2. Use eggshells as seed starters. Eggshells are one of nature's most perfect, biodegradable seed starting containers. After cracking your eggs, rinse the shells carefully and fill them with a bit of moist potting soil. Drop in your seeds and watch them sprout in their own little nutrient-rich homes. When the seedlings are strong enough to move outdoors, simply plant the entire shell directly into the garden. It will naturally break down, releasing calcium into the soil, and helping your young plants grow healthier and stronger. Hack number 3. Banana peel fertilizer. Banana peels are a powerful source of potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, all essential nutrients for strong, healthy vegetable growth. Instead of throwing them away, soak the peels in a jar of water for 2 to 3 days to create a nutrient-rich banana tea. Use this water to feed your plants once a week, especially tomatoes, peppers, and leafy greens that love potassium. You can also chop the peels and bury them near the roots, to release nutrients slowly over time, giving your vegetables a steady, natural boost, without spending a single cent on fertilizer. Hack number 4. Compost in a bottle. You don't need a large compost bin to create rich organic fertilizer for your vegetables. A simple plastic bottle can do the job perfectly. Cut off the top of a clean bottle and add layers of kitchen scraps, like fruit peels, vegetable ends, crushed eggshells, and a bit of dry leaves or soil. Sprinkle in a small amount of water and shake the bottle every few days to help the materials break down. In just a few weeks you'll have homemade compost teeming with nutrients that can be mixed into your garden soil, or used as a natural fertilizer for potted plants, giving your vegetables the nourishment they need to thrive. Hack number 5. DIY drip irrigation from old bottles. Keeping your vegetables properly watered can be time-consuming, but with this simple hack, you can let old plastic bottles do the work for you. Take a used bottle, poke a few small holes near the bottom, and bury it beside your plants with only the neck exposed. Fill it with water, and it will slowly release moisture directly to the roots over several days. This method prevents overwatering, saves water during hot weather, and ensures your plants stay hydrated, even when you're away. It's an effortless, eco-friendly irrigation system that costs nothing and keeps your garden thriving. Hack number 6. Coffee grounds for pest control and soil enrichment. Used coffee grounds are a gardener's secret weapon for both nourishing plants and keeping pests away. After brewing your coffee, dry the leftover grounds and sprinkle them around your vegetable beds. The natural scent and texture deter slugs, snails, and ants, while the grounds slowly break down to add valuable nitrogen and organic matter to the soil. You can also mix them into your compost pile to boost its nutrient content. This simple free hack improves soil structure, supports healthy root growth, and helps your plants stay strong and pest-free, without the need for chemicals. Hack number 7. Grow vegetables in old containers. You don't need fancy pots or garden beds to grow fresh vegetables. Almost any container you already have at home can be repurposed for planting. Old buckets, paint cans, laundry tubs, or even broken storage bins can become excellent planters with just a few drainage holes drilled at the bottom. Fill them with good soil, add your seeds or seedlings, and place them in a sunny spot. This hack is perfect for small spaces, patios, or balconies, allowing you to grow herbs, greens or peppers anywhere. It's an easy, sustainable way to expand your garden without spending anything extra. Hack number 8. Rainwater collection trick. Rainwater is one of the purest and most beneficial sources of hydration for your plants, and collecting it is completely free. Place open buckets, bowls or large containers under roof edges or gutters whenever it rains, and let nature fill them up for you. This water is free from chlorine and other chemicals found in tap water, making it perfect for watering vegetables. You can store it for dry days and use it to keep your garden thriving even during hot spells. It's a simple, eco-friendly way to save money, reduce water waste, and keep your plants naturally healthy. Hack number 9. Mulch with grass clippings and leaves. Instead of throwing away grass clippings or fallen leaves after yard work, turn them into one of the best free resources for your vegetable garden. Mulch. Spread a layer of dried clippings or shredded leaves around the base of your plants to lock in soil moisture, block weeds, and regulate temperature. As the mulch breaks down, it naturally adds organic matter and nutrients back into the soil, creating a richer environment for your vegetables to grow. This simple habit reduces watering needs, prevents erosion, and keeps your garden soil healthy all season long. Hack number 10. Use kitchen waste as liquid fertilizer. Your everyday kitchen waste can be transformed into a powerful liquid fertilizer that keeps your vegetables thriving. Collect vegetable peels, fruit scraps, and leftover rice or pasta water. Then blend them into a smooth mixture and dilute it with more water. Pour this nutrient-rich liquid around the base of your plants to give them an instant boost of vitamins and minerals. It's an all-natural way to feed your soil, strengthen plant roots, and encourage faster growth without spending anything. This simple hack turns kitchen leftovers into a free organic solution for healthier, more productive vegetables. Hack number 11. Plant deep for stronger roots. When transplanting vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, or eggplants, planting them deeper than usual can make a huge difference in their growth and yield. By burying a portion of the stem beneath the soil, the plant will develop additional roots along that buried section, creating a stronger and more stable root system. This helps the plant absorb more nutrients and water, making it more resilient during dry spells or windy weather. It's a simple, cost-free technique that results in healthier plants, better support, and bigger harvests throughout the growing season. Hack number 12. DIY trellis from sticks and strings. You don't need to buy expensive trellises to support your climbing vegetables. You can easily make one using sticks, branches, or even old bamboo poles. Gather sturdy pieces from your yard, push them firmly into the soil, and tie them together with twine, rope, or leftover string to create a natural frame. This simple structure gives beans, cucumbers, and peas something to climb, helping them grow upward instead of sprawling across the ground. It saves space, keeps your vegetables cleaner, and improves air circulation, all while adding a rustic handmade charm to your garden. Hack number 13. Use vinegar to keep weeds away. Weeds can quickly take over your garden, stealing nutrients and space from your vegetables, but you don't need harsh chemicals to control them. Plain household vinegar works as a natural, effective weed killer. Simply pour it into a spray bottle and apply it directly to weeds on sunny days, focusing on paths, walkways, or areas between your planting rows. The acetic acid in vinegar dries out unwanted plants, leaving your vegetables with more room to thrive. It's a safe, eco-friendly way to keep your garden neat and free of competition, and it costs next to nothing. Hack number 14. Replant your pruned cuttings. Every time you prune herbs like basil, mint, or rosemary, you're holding the potential for a brand new plant. Instead of throwing those cuttings away, place them in a glass of water and set it near a sunny window. Within a week or two, small roots will begin to form along the stems. Once they're well developed, transplant them into soil, and watch them grow into healthy new plants. This simple hack lets you multiply your favorite herbs endlessly, without ever buying more, creating a lush, fragrant, and productive garden from just a few snips. Hack number 15. Make a mini greenhouse from plastic bottles, protecting young seedlings from cold nights. Heavy rain or pests doesn't require a professional greenhouse. A simple plastic bottle can do the trick. Cut off the bottom of a large bottle, and place it gently over your young plants, pressing the edges slightly into the soil to hold it in place. This creates a warm, humid microclimate that traps heat and moisture, helping delicate seedlings grow faster and stronger. During the day, you can lift the bottle to let in fresh air, then cover again at night. It's an effortless, free way to shield your vegetables and give them the best start possible. Hack number 16. Rotate crops to rebuild soil naturally. One of the smartest ways to keep your garden soil fertile without using chemicals is by practicing crop rotation. Instead of planting the same vegetable in the same spot each season, switch up what grows there. For example, after harvesting beans or peas that add nitrogen to the soil, plant leafy greens or root crops that will benefit from it. This simple rotation prevents soil exhaustion, reduces pests and diseases, and maintains a healthy balance of nutrients. Over time, your garden becomes more resilient, producing stronger plants and higher yields, all through a completely free natural process. Hack number 17. Save seeds for next season. One of the most rewarding and cost-saving habits any gardener can develop is saving seeds from the vegetables you grow. Choose the healthiest, most productive plants in your garden and collect their mature seeds, from tomatoes, peppers, beans, or squash. Rinse and dry them thoroughly, then store them in labeled envelopes or small jars in a cool, dry place. When the next planting season arrives, you'll have your own free supply of seeds perfectly adapted to your soil and climate. This timeless practice not only saves money, but also helps preserve the strength and quality of your garden year after year. Here are essential tips you should consider while using the 17 free vegetable gardening hacks to make your results more productive, resilient, and rewarding. Number 1. Know your soil. Before applying any hack, take time to understand your soil's texture, drainage, and nutrient content. A simple pH test can reveal if it's acidic or alkaline. Balanced soil helps every other hack, from composting to companion planting, work more effectively. Number 2. Rotate crops seasonally. Avoid planting the same family of vegetables in one spot repeatedly. Crop rotation prevents pest buildup, disease recurrence, and nutrient depletion, giving your soil time to recover naturally. Number 3. Practice deep watering. Instead of frequent light watering, give your plants a deep soak less often. This encourages roots to grow downward and access nutrients stored deeper in the soil, resulting in stronger drought-resistant vegetables. Number 4. Use natural pest control early. Don't wait for pests to take over. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs. Use neem spray, or plant natural repellents such as basil and marigolds around your crops. Prevention is easier than pest control later. Number 5. Feed the soil, not just the plants. Every compost hack or mulch tip works better if you remember this principle. Healthy, microbe-rich soil automatically supports plant health, reduces disease, and improves yield quality over time. Number 6. Time your planting. Planting too early or too late can ruin even the smartest gardening hacks. Follow local planting calendars and observe your area's last frost and rainfall patterns. Timing is everything when it comes to thriving gardens. Number 7. Prune regularly. Overgrown plants may look lush, but they compete for nutrients and sunlight. Regular pruning helps airflow, reduces fungal risk, and channels plant energy into producing more vegetables instead of excessive leaves. Number 8. Reuse and recycle wisely. Most free gardening hacks rely on reusing containers, bottles, or kitchen waste. Make sure these materials are clean and safe. Avoid plastics that degrade under sunlight or containers that leach harmful chemicals. Number 9. Observe and adjust. Gardening isn't a fixed science. It's a living experiment. Take notes, watch your plants, and tweak the hacks based on what works best in your unique climate, soil, and light conditions. And number 10. Be patient and consistent. Nature works on its own rhythm. Some hacks show results in days. Others take weeks or even seasons. Don't give up early. Steady attention and patience often bring the biggest harvests. As you've seen, growing your own vegetables doesn't have to be expensive, complicated, or time-consuming. With these 17 brilliant free gardening hacks and a little consistency, you can turn even the smallest patch of soil, or a few recycled containers, into a thriving source of fresh organic food. Every small effort you make today, from composting kitchen scraps to saving seeds, helps you build a more abundant and sustainable garden tomorrow. Remember, nature always rewards patience, creativity, and care. So step outside, get your hands in the soil, and let nature do the rest. Your garden is waiting to reward you with abundance, one seed at a time. If you found these tips inspiring, make sure to subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more simple and effective ways to grow more food with less effort. Don't forget to like this video, share it with other gardening enthusiasts, and tell us in the comments which hack you'll try first. Together, let's make gardening not just a hobby, but a way of life, one seed, one season, one harvest at a time.